Yeah, I'm kinda glad I won't talk to you again. You should've seen the red flags just a few weeks in. Yeah, I thought for once maybe something could go right. Guess I'm just stuck in this low point in my life. Wasted so much energy and wasted so much time.
Hey, what's up? This is Tyler with Most Simple Guitar Lessons. I'm going to show you how to play Room to Breathe acoustic on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. Let's get started. So to play this song, you'll be in standard tuning with no capo. This song is finger picked, so you'll be using your thumb, pointer, and your ring finger to alternate between mainly the A, D, and the B, and the G, these four. The first chord you'll have your middle finger on the 9th fret of the A string and your pointer finger on the 8th fret of the D string and your pinky on the 11th fret of the G string. So 9, 8, and 11 on your A, D, G. And you just alternate between the A and the D string. Alright, so you'll do that. And then on the third hit, you'll pluck the high string on the 11 here. So it should sound like that. Then you want to slide that down to 4 on the A string, 3 on the D string, and 6 on the G string. And you'll slide it up to 6 on the A string, 4 on the D string, and then 7 up on the B string. So 6, 4, 7. And it's the B string now. It's not the G string, it's the B string up here with your pinky. So you'll stretch that, so 6, 4, 7, and you'll alternate it like. And you'll slide that same shape down to 2, 1, 4 on the B string. So 2 on the A, 1 on the D, 4 on the B string. All together slower, it's 9, 8, 9, 11, 9, 8, 9, 11. Four, 3, 4, 6. Six, 4, 7. And then 2, 1, 4. So the plugging pattern should be thumb, finger, thumb, middle, thumb, pointer, thumb, middle, thumb, pointer, thumb, middle. On the chorus, he puts his pinky up there like that. I need some clarity. I need some room to breathe. You made a cut. You cut me deep and let me bleed. I need some clarity. I need some room to breathe. You made a cut. You cut me deep and let me bleed. And then in one of the verses, he plucks his middle finger and his pinky to the lowest and the highest string that you've been plucking. So just 9 and 11. Down down to 4 and 6, to 6 and 7, down to 2 and 4.